The radar system is now conducting its detailed scan. Meanwhile, the ROV unit, securely packed inside its deployment container, has been carefully lowered onto the ocean surface. The descent has begun. The robot moves closer, carefully analyzing the structure. The ship's body is heavily covered in rust, marine growth, and debris. Over the years, ocean bacteria and salt water have weakened the metal surface. Pieces of iron and broken components lie scattered around the wreck. The robot begins collecting metal fragments from the seabed while mapping the entire shape of the ship for further research. Soon, the recovery operation begins. Large, heavy-duty lifting balloons are attached to both sides of the ship. Engineers carefully control the process from the surface while the balloons slowly inflate. Gradually, the massive wreck starts rising from the ocean floor. After years beneath the sea, the ship slowly ascends toward the surface. Support vessels and recovery boats guide the structure carefully until it reaches the main ship deck. Powerful cranes lift and stabilize the wreck, while engineers install strong steel frames to hold it securely in place. Restoration work begins immediately. Technicians start removing layers of rust using specialized tools and controlled hammering. Chemical treatments are applied to dissolve stubborn corrosion on the surface. After that, high-pressure water jets wash away the loosened rust and debris. Next comes the metal restoration phase. Workers use grinders to smooth the damaged areas of the hull. As the surface is polished, clean metallic lines begin to appear beneath the old corrosion. The ship's propeller is carefully restored, repaired through welding where needed, and cleaned until it looks almost new again. Another round of washing ensures the entire structure is free of residue. Now, attention shifts to the interior. Teams enter the ship and begin cleaning the rooms inside. Broken materials are removed, surfaces are repaired, and new furniture is installed to rebuild the ship's living areas. In the technician room, engineers inspect and repair essential systems to make sure everything functions properly again. Finally, after hours of intense cleaning, the engine room is now shining like new. Every corner of the ship has been carefully washed, powerful streams of water sweeping away years of dust and decay. Now, a fresh coat of paint, applied with precision and care, bringing life back to every inch piece by piece, layer by layer. The ship is reborn, and now, she stands ready, fully restored, ready to face the open sea once more. Look, there she goes, setting out on her very first journey.